Hello, this is just a short video on how to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu. VS Code, as it's known, or on the command line just code, is a code editor written by, uh, I think it was written by GitHub and now owned by Microsoft. So, tomato, tomato. All right, we're on the website code.visualstudio.com. We can get the .deb for Ubuntu, or we can get the RPM for Red Hat. I assume if you're on Windows, it'll give you Windows, but we're going to stick to the Ubuntu software app. Let's go ahead and search for it. VS Code. This is it. Top result, install. Enter your password. And there you go. It's installing from the Snap Store. You don't have to worry about the deb and what that means. You can just use your operating system and it's stored like any other. Look at that, 99% done. It's downloading. Now it's installing. Bear with me, it's like 6:15 a.m. Code. Editing. Redefined. All right. Let's try it out. VS Code. And there it is. You have it installed. You can get through the preferences if you like. We're done. And on the next video, I'll show you how to build something.